Yo, what is up, you guys? This is Sorcery 2020. I'm here to you guys for another video, but today it is not a Pokemon Go video. In fact, today's going to be a pretty sad video because I have some really bad news. My bird, Plumita, um, she died overnight on the 27th of August, 2022. I was devastated when she died. I just couldn't believe it because she's been a big part of my life for a blessed 2 years or so, and now she's gone. So, I was pretty devastated when she was gone. So, I'm making this tribute video dedicated to Plumita. So, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully, because I'm trying to do my best to think about what Plumita would deserve. So, for now, Sorcery 2020 out. I shall now read the letter, which are my final words to Plumita. Plumita, I just wanted to tell you about how much love and regrets I have about you. Through my eyes, I have always tried to treat you with the love and care you needed, especially when no one else would provide it for you. But there are things I could have done better with you. There were times where I have played with you too rough, and there is a part of me that thinks that this was partly the cause of your passing. You deserve more screen time on my YouTube channel than the 3 videos I have of you posted. I will admit right now that I kept putting it off because of other content that I thought was more important, but I realize now that you are the important content on my channel, and as I was just beginning to realize that, you find yourself in the embrace of the Almighty Lord. You will always be the pudgiest and fluffiest bird I have ever seen. No bird can hold a single candle to you. No matter which bird we get next, he or she will never fill the empty void of your cage. No bird will take your throne as queen of the birds. See you out there, Sorcery 2020. So yeah, guys, that's Plumita's tribute video. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I worked really hard to make this video because throughout this video I was thinking about what Pluma would want me to put in her tribute video. So I did my best, even did things I haven't done in past videos. As you can see, like with the 3D animations, and you're putting a whole lot more pictures than I normally do. So yeah, that's all I have to show to you guys. Make sure to subscribe to support me and the channel, especially in the times when we need it most, like right now. Make sure to like, click the bell, and I'll I'll see you guys another time. God bless Plumita, and God bless America.